Here's how to do a screen recording in OBS Studio. Open OBS Studio. We can start a new scene with the plus right here. Scene 2 works as the name. You can see right here that it is picking up the audio from my microphone. If you want to change the microphone, you can click the 3 dots and click Properties. Next to Device, you can pick the microphone you want. This is the microphone I'm using. Click OK. In the Sources window, you can click the plus icon. Click Screen Capture. I know it says Mac OS for me, but that's because I'm on a Mac, so I imagine if you're on a Windows, it'll say something else. But whichever one says Screen Capture should be good. You can change the name if you want to. I'm just going to leave it how it is. Next to method, there's display capture, window capture, and application capture. I would probably either stick to display capture or application capture. I feel like display capture and application capture are easier to use. Display capture captures your entire screen. Application capture does what it says and it captures a specific application. So if I want to just record OBS Studio, I can do that. I can move this around and the only thing being recorded is still OBS Studio. If I want to record my browser, I can go up to Brave browser and now it's recording this. Window capture is a bit more specific. You can see that it is recording my browser, but if I switch over to something like this, now you can see that it's only recording the pop-up in OBS Studio, not even the rest of the application. If I want to record the rest of it, then there we go. I switch over to that and now it's just recording this. It's not like it's recording everything. It's a lot more specific and they're just random things I can record like this, or I can record my focus setting if I want to, I guess. I would just stick to display capture or application capture. I feel like those are some good go-tos. You can also hide the cursor if you want to by unchecking the show cursor button, and you can hide the OBS window from your screen recording, which I think is pretty helpful. Also the display option, I imagine if you had multiple displays, you can pick which one to record, but I only have one. Then when you're ready to record, click start recording. You can see now there's the option for stop recording and it is recording down here. If we go ahead and play a video, it will play the audio in our recording. You can see the waveforms down there. Then when we're done, we can click stop recording. If you're not sure where it went, you can click into settings, go to output, go to recording path. In this box, it will show you where your video is being recorded to. I imagine this is different for Windows, but for me, I'm just gonna copy this path and then spotlight, search, Command V, and I will be able to find the folder. So on both Windows and Mac, you just see where the recording is going to and then go to the folder. And you can see we have our recording here. And when you play it back, the video will both have the audio from your microphone and from the video or the game you're playing or whatever. If you want to change where your recording goes to, in the recording section, you can click browse, go to whichever file you want it to go to. Say I want it to go to downloads, click open. Now, as you can see, it's going to my downloads folder. Click OK. Another thing is that if you do a test recording and you see that your audio that you're capturing is a bit too loud and you can't hear your voice, then you can go to your screen capture and right here, there's a little audio slider. You can drag that down a little bit and then see if it's where you like it. So you just do another test recording and see if the audio is still too loud or if it's too quiet or whatever. And if you really wanted to, you could also adjust your own audio by using the audio slider here. By the way, if it looks like this for you where you can only see a corner of your screen, you can click on this window and drag the corner down and bring this over and then keep dragging and resize. And yeah, move that there. And if you want to center it, you can right click, go to transform and center to screen. And there you go. Now you can see the entire window. You can also right click and click lock preview if you don't want it to move around. Even after you do that, I've noticed that sometimes certain windows might move around on their own. So if they do, that's how you fix it. And also if you have the same problems as me sometimes where you'll need to rotate the window, you can right click and go to transform. You can do 90 degrees clockwise, 90 degrees counterclockwise, or rotate 180 degrees, flip horizontal, flip vertical. You can center the screen and all that. So that's how to screen record with audio in OBS Studio.